Okay, gang, it's Lieutenant Merritt again, just trying to put together yet one more tutorial on how to add things to the website. So here we are at RockyMountainCoa.com, which is the COA's website, and the branch's website, I should say. And I want to now focus on the blog and adding a new event to the blog. So we've only got one article on here so far. I know the president would love to have us have more coming out and have this be the primary means by which she communicates with the membership, and I think that's a reasonable way to go, and I think it's also a great place to be able to put what we have done on the blog from time to time and keep the membership informed that way. So let's figure out how to do that. So I'm going to go to bluehost.com. That is our web hosting for the website. I'm going to go over here to the right and I'm going to hit login. And again, you need the appropriate credentials to log in, RockyMountainCoa.com, and then the password. Hit submit, which will get you into the hosting side. And once that loads, it's gonna go. You're gonna go down here to log into WordPress, and that will bring you to the screen that allows you to get into the dashboard for the website, which is kind of the back end. And so, with respect to blog posts, all the blog type stuff is under this part here, which is posts. So if you click on posts, it'll bring you to the blog menu, um, and you can see right now we've only got basically one blog post in here. You're able to edit that one, or you can scroll up to the top and hit add new here, or add new over here on the left side. We do have categories in here, and again, that's something that'll help us sort of organize things. Right now, nothing's categorized. You can check stats for how many views are, and then if anybody comments on that on the posts, you can see that here. So anyway, we'll add new, and so I'm gonna just put a uh, upcoming meeting. Reminder. So something like that. And then you basically just put in the text or whatever you want to put in. So this block here is the place where you can do all of the editing you want to do. There's a couple of different things you can do. You can go to Visual Editor, which allows you to sort of see it more like you would edit things in a Word document. Text allows you to put in actual HTML code, and you can use these buttons for that. So if I wanted to add a picture, I could either upload that to the library, which is pretty straightforward, or you can go, and grab, a photo off of this, what's already been loaded. And so for the last meeting, for example, the one at EPA, I put in a picture of our building and sort of the interior of the atrium, just to give folks a sense of where they were going as a visual idea. And so that's maybe just an idea. But I'm going to grab a photo of the eCore logo, insert it into my posts, and then hit return, adding whatever pertinent text, and then hit go over here to the categories. Shoot, what am I thinking here? Yeah, this one doesn't need the categories as much. And then you can hit preview and just see what it looks like. And so, basically all it's going to be is who put this up, the date, the category is uncategorized, and then the picture, and then whatever text you've got. If you want it to be nicer or sort of prettier than that, you can do certain things within this. So you can go to this page builder, which allows you to do a pre-built layout or add a widget or a row. So if you do a widget, you could do like an image from the library, and then you can also add rows to it. So and this allows you to split things up into different things. So these just are allowing sort of the HTML coding to be done easily. And so when we do, let me go to our website and you can kind of see what I'm talking about here. So for example, when we did the executive committee, what I did is put 4 or 5 different rows, and so I had a photo side and then the text side for each one of these, and I alternated them so it kind of broke the page up and made it look prettier. But that's what you can do with this visual editor. You know, in this blog thing. So add your image, or you can do go down here and click on the next block, and you can add a widget, which could be like. You know, typically you can stick a video in there. You can go over this one and add a different widget, and really I think the main one that you want to focus on, and I'm trying to find it right now. Of course, I can't find it when I'm looking for it. So text editor would be one. Oh, visual editor. Visual editor allows you to really do just about anything. So I then go into this and I can put a title. So check out this video from our last meeting. We were doing cool things. And again, I would edit this in text mode so you don't get distracted by what it might look like, because it's not really going to look like that. It's going to carry the formatting through for the website theme. So hit that and then hit done, and then I'm gonna edit the video, and so you can go and get out to like for example, you could go to YouTube and grab a video. I'm actually uploading a different one. It's almost done, so you can stick links in there. All right, and then just change the formatting, stuff like that. So there's little things you can do with each of these widgets, and then again you can put an image in here. Select an image and go grab this one and hit insert in the widget and then hit done. And now you can go preview this and see it'll totally look different, because now it's going to have some of that rows and the formatting in there. And unfortunately, you don't have the video in there to see that, but that's kind of how it works. I know that's not a great tutorial, but I would definitely just get in there and play with it and see what it does. I really think that this visual builder, standard visual editor, the page builder editor, is the way to go if you're trying to make it look pretty, because it'll carry all the themes through here. So and then make sure you always hit preview to check it out, and then hit publish when you're ready to publish it, and that should pretty well do it. So I hope that helps for the blog posts. I'm going to do another tutorial on the forms here in a little bit. Thanks.